Have you been looking for a great aquarium without spending a fortune? In this video, we'll show you 8 of the best budget-friendly aquariums on Amazon for every space and experience level. Stay until the end to find the one that offers the best value for your money. And don't forget to check the updated links in the description. Kicking off this list at number 8, we have this 10-gallon aquarium starter kit. A great choice if you want to get everything you need in one package without spending a fortune. Instead of buying each accessory separately, this kit includes essentials like an LED light, adjustable heater, filter media, thermometer, siphon, and several maintenance tools, making the setup process much easier for beginners. The spacious 10-gallon tank gives your fish plenty of room to swim while also offering enough space to create a beautiful aquascape with plants, rocks, or driftwood. It works especially well for bettas, guppies, tetras, or other small community fish, and the built-in lighting helps bring out their colors while making the aquarium look great in any room. Although more experienced hobbyists may eventually upgrade some of the included accessories, the overall value is hard to ignore. That's exactly why it earns the number 8 spot in this ranking as one of the most complete budget-friendly starter kits available. Coming in at number 7, we have this compact desktop aquarium, a smart pick for anyone who wants to enjoy the relaxing atmosphere of a fish tank without giving up too much space. Its modern cube design fits nicely on a desk, countertop, or nightstand, making it an attractive addition to a home office, bedroom, or small apartment. One of its biggest advantages is the built-in filtration system, which helps keep the water cleaner with less day-to-day effort, making it much more beginner-friendly than a basic glass tank. The integrated LED lighting also enhances the colors of your fish and decorations while creating a clean, contemporary look. It's best suited for a betta or a few small tropical fish rather than a larger community setup, but that's exactly where it shines. If you're looking for something simple, stylish, and easy to maintain, this aquarium offers excellent value, which is why it comfortably earns the number 7 spot in this ranking. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe. We post similar content every day. Taking the number 6 spot is this Spider aquarium, a model that blends modern features with a clean, minimalist design at a price that stays surprisingly affordable. One thing that immediately stands out is the built-in digital temperature display, allowing you to check water conditions at a glance instead of relying on a separate thermometer. It also includes an integrated filtration system that helps keep the water circulating and cleaner with less maintenance, making it a great option for first-time fish keepers or anyone with a busy schedule. The bright LED lighting gives the tank a premium look while highlighting the natural colors of your fish and decorations, turning it into a relaxing focal point during the day or at night. While it isn't designed for large or heavily stocked aquariums, it's an excellent fit for bettas and small tropical species. Thanks to its balance of convenience, appearance, and overall value, it easily deserves its place at number 6 in this countdown. Halfway through the ranking at number 5, we have the AquaNeat 5-gallon aquarium, a model that proves you don't need a huge tank to create an impressive underwater display. Its clean rimless style appearance gives it a much more premium feel than you'd expect at this price, making it a great fit for modern living rooms, bedrooms, or office desks. The built-in filtration system keeps the water moving and helps maintain a healthier environment with minimal effort, while the compact footprint makes it easy to place almost anywhere. It's an excellent choice for a betta shrimp or a carefully planned group of nano fish, giving you enough room to decorate with live plants and natural hardscape without feeling cramped. Although larger community tanks offer more flexibility, this aquarium strikes an excellent balance between size, simplicity, and style. For anyone looking for an affordable setup that's both practical and visually appealing, it's easy to see why it earns the number 5 position on this list. At number 4, we have the Vihipa aquarium, a feature-packed option that offers much more than you'd expect in this price range. What really makes it stand out is how many everyday tasks it simplifies. The built-in filtration, water circulation, oxygenation, and temperature monitoring work together to create a healthier environment for your fish while reducing the amount of maintenance you'll need to do. It even includes a humidifier function on the lid, giving the aquarium a unique visual effect that helps it become an eye-catching piece of decor, whether it's in a living room, office, or bedroom. The sleek design and digital controls give it a more premium feel, yet it's still approachable for beginners who want an easy setup. While advanced hobbyists may prefer larger custom systems, this model delivers an impressive combination of convenience, technology, and style for the money. That's why it comfortably secures the number 4 spot in this ranking. Remember that all the links are in the description. You can compare prices and read customer reviews. Breaking into the top 3, we have this complete aquarium kit, and it's an excellent choice for anyone who wants to skip the hassle of buying accessories one by one. Along with the aquarium itself, you get a hang-on back filter, LED light, heater, cleaning tools, filter media, and several useful extras that make setting up and maintaining your tank much easier from day one. The larger capacity gives you more freedom to create a natural aquascape, while providing a comfortable environment for small community fish, making it a setup you won't outgrow too quickly. It's ideal for beginners who want a smoother start, but it also offers enough flexibility for hobbyists looking for a solid everyday aquarium without spending a premium. While you'll still want to personalize it with your own decorations and plants, the included equipment covers almost everything you need. Thanks to its outstanding value and all-in-one convenience, it confidently earns the number 3 spot on our list. In the runner-up position, we have the Marineland Portrait 5-gallon aquarium, a tank that has remained a favorite for years thanks to its unique vertical design and dependable performance. Unlike traditional aquariums, its taller shape creates a striking display that naturally draws attention, while taking up very little desk or countertop space. The hidden 3-stage filtration system stays out of sight, giving the aquarium a much cleaner appearance, while helping maintain clear, healthy water with minimal effort. It also includes bright LED lighting that beautifully showcases fish, live plants, and hardscape, making the entire setup look far more expensive than it actually is. This aquarium is especially well suited for a betta or a carefully planned nano aquascape, where the elegant design can really shine. It may not offer the capacity of larger tanks, but few compact aquariums combine style, quality, and ease of use this well. That's exactly why it earns the number 2 spot on our list. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is the Nicru Rimless Aquarium, the option that delivers the best overall balance of quality, design, and value for the money. Right away, the ultra-clear, rimless glass gives you an unobstructed view that makes every fish, plant, and decoration stand out, creating a display that looks far more expensive than its price suggests. It also comes as a complete kit with an efficient filtration system and an adjustable LED light, so getting started is quick and straightforward even if it's your first aquarium. The clean, minimalist design blends effortlessly into almost any room, while the generous interior gives you plenty of freedom to build a beautiful planted aquascape or a comfortable home for a betta and other small tropical fish. More importantly, it's a tank you can continue enjoying long after you've gained experience, without feeling the need to replace it right away. If you're looking for one affordable aquarium that combines premium looks, reliable performance, and excellent everyday usability, this is the one we'd recommend first, making it a well-deserved winner of today's ranking.